Good morning, my friends. It's a beautiful morning here in my village. You can hear just birds are singing to welcome a new day. So, my people, first I have to greet you good morning, good evening, and good afternoon. It depends at what time you watch this video, my friends. You can just hear there is a beautiful song and nice song comes from the birds singing in the morning from this side. Just welcome a new day. So my people, I'm happy to wake up early and I am very okay this morning, and I thank God I am okay and I have waked up okay. I am okay, my friends. So here is where I come to see myself. I'm now brushing my tooth. After this now I just need to go for hustling. This is our shamba here. This is our maize. Just see, this is our maize here. This is our maize, my friends. So my people, please just subscribe there. For the returning viewers, please subscribe there, like, share, and comment. Because it's still in the morning, just surprise me with the subscribe there. Just surprise me with comment. I will feel happy, my friend, to see you people supporting me there in my YouTube channel. So after that, my friends, my WhatsApp number is on the screen. I already pinned for you my WhatsApp number on the screen. If you are willing, my people, just contact me there. And if you are willing to support me, you can just support me. You can just come in my village here. I will just take you a nature walk, and hope you'll enjoy walking with me in this village. It's a very nice village, and I'm happy to be a village boy. Yeah, too. There is our houses here. These are our houses. Just see. There is our houses, and there is our kitchen. This one is a kitchen here. These are what can make us know that it's a beautiful morning. That is the village time. When you see a cock, you have to know that it's in the morning. A cock is what normally alert us that is in the morning, is in the afternoon, is in the evening. You can just hear the sound of a cock. He's also welcoming a new day. We don't know what is going on after this, but God knows, my friend, what is going next, because as people we can't know what is going on after this. But I have to go hustling, if I can get something to buy clothes, to surprise my mom, to get some food here in the village. Though we have maize here, but there is a small farm. It's not a very large farm. So we have to go and make hustle so that we can get something small to eat, something small to buy clothes so that we can look smart. My friend Slim, I really appreciate your support here in my YouTube channel. You really support me, my friend. Thank you for supporting me, and I appreciate your support here in my YouTube channel. Slim, I appreciate you, my friend. I see you are a good-hearted person. You really support me when I say something, my friend. I have this problem, I have this and this and this, I am facing a lot of this in this village. My friend, you are standing for me. I really appreciate you, and may God bless you, my friend. And for all the viewers, for subscribers, please just support me there, and I really appreciate your support for subscribing there, for viewing my video. Just tap the subscription button there and everything will be okay, my friend. Almost makawara gusira. Reno. Numuzee. Mwari tukire numuzee. Venye mukale wanse goro hano. Nudaro ni shida nyane hano. Kabar ni Kevin. We are just preparing our breakfast here. This is the breakfast preparation. I want to drink a strong tea. As you are seeing here, this is how we normally struggle in the village. Challenges we are facing in the village, my friend. But we have to face the challenges. There is the life, the village life. We have to face the challenges. And we have to struggle, my people.